Hi everyone, Krylios here, Team Rayceen MC and producer. And today I am here with Rayceen Pendarvis.
Salutations.
Hello, mother. And we have some special guests today with us. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Greetings and good wishes. This is Naseema. I'm the Executive Director of Whitman-Walker Health.
And hi, my name is Jewel. I'm the Director of Communications at Whitman-Walker.
Hello, guys. It is so great to have you here today. Thanks for joining us. Thank you so much. So,
thanks for having us.
Of course. So since we have both of you here, let us know. Tell us about, Whitman-Walker, and tell us how the pandemic has impacted, everything there at the moment.
The pandemic has impacted all things in all ways, but most importantly, we are open to provide care. So we went from providing all of our services face-to-face, and almost all of it's by telehealth now. So if you've got a provider at Whitman-Walker, you can call us, we'll get you scheduled, and you're gonna do this with your provider, and we're gonna take good care of you. And then the second big thing that we did was start what are called walk-in. We're basically doing COVID testing for our patients and for new folks in the community over at Max Robinson Center. As you know, COVID has only highlighted the disproportionate impact that exists in our societies and our communities, right? Mm-hmm. So it's really important to us to do more over by Max.
Definitely. And you guys are a 2020 sponsor of the Ask Rayceen show, and we just love and appreciate that so much. And Rayceen can tell you we look forward to being back in that space again.
And
right?
We love you guys. We love you so much. And as you can see, we're even rocking our shirts.
Yes, we have on our It's
Walker We are Team Whitman-Walker down. And it is so important. The work that you do, you talk about communication is so important. Jewel, how are people communicating more with Whitman-Walker during this particular time? What are some of the things that you're doing and expanding communication?
So right now we have this really exciting partnership with our community health team. They're doing a lot of work to meet people where they are in community, which is largely on social media right now. So every day you can tune in to our Instagram accounts at Whitman-Walker, our Facebook account and Twitter, and just see what we've got in the schedule. We'll be talking about COVID and sex, just general health education. We'll give you resources if you just call our resource line at 202-797-4439.
Awesome, thanks. And Whitman-Walker does so much in our community when it comes to physical health, when it comes to mental health, and and it really just helps us all along the way. And I would like to know, with this pandemic, with this COVID going on, are people becoming more engaged, or are the patients like, okay, this COVID thing is a lot, like how is it affecting, the community and the patients specifically?
I think people are more engaged, and what we're hearing from our patients, because, with everybody basically teleworking and at home, we've had to convert a lot of roles and help people call patients and figure out how to keep people connected to us. That's what Whitman-Walker's about. It's what Team Rayceen's all about, right? It's about being connected. And so what we're doing every day is we're calling people, we're checking in, we're saying, how are you doing? Are you okay? Let me get you connected to your behavioral health provider, your medical provider. Mm-hmm. And we're hearing from everyone, just thanks so much for calling. And I think that impact, the importance of staying close right now mm-hmm. in the ways that we can, with the most safety that we can, is critical. And we're really hearing from the community how important that is.
Definitely.
And that's so important. It's so important that people know the range of all the services surrounding Whitman-Walker. People just think about going in, getting checked, but they don't think about the mental health. And then you have dental, and people don't even talk about that, and and the pharmacy. Everything is in-house, and that's so important. And folks are being connected. When you walk through the door of Whitman-Walker, you're connected. It's like a full wraparound service. And that's so important that people know about that. Do you find, it's so important that our mental health, we don't talk enough about it and how folks are handling. Do you find that many of the clients or some of your coworkers, or how are you engaging each other around mental health issues?
It's so important, and one of the things that we did, at least for our team, for our staff, we've got a new wellness newsletter. And so the staff have an opportunity to connect multiple times a week in different ways. There's some small group settings that are co-facilitated by colleagues. There's 2 movement sessions a week where you can get up and one of our amazing wellness people and one of our therapists kind of work through some yoga movements. I did it the other week. I stood up from my desk and I did it and my eyes filled with tears. I felt so cared for by my colleagues. And it is this extension inside of what we're doing for all the folks that we're trying to do on the outside. So important right now. And we can do all of that even though we're far away.
And that's so important.
Very much so. We love
it
that
is
too.
Keeping connected. And for those who need to stay connected, can you give us all of the information of how folks can reach you, meaning, email, numbers, etc.? What are the best ways?
So if you visit our website, there's going to be a pop-up image with some information on COVID. If you click on that, it'll take you to another page that has a whole list of resources. So if you need to contact us to schedule an appointment, call us at 202-745-7000. If you've got any questions around services in the DMV community around COVID, just give us a call at 202-797-4439 and follow us at WhitmanWalker on social media. You can keep up with our just daily Instagram live sessions. We'll just cover all the topics that people are not getting to talk to their doctors in person about.
Thank you so much for that information. And, thank you for just catching up with us. Thanks for joining us. It has been wonderful. And once again, we just appreciate, the support that WhitmanWalker has lent to the Ask Rayceen show and everything that Team Rayceen Productions do, over these years. So thank you guys so much. And I hope y'all are safe during this pandemic.
Thank you. It's so good to see you. Take good care.
We will. Rayceen, take us out.
Oh, I will take you out. Even though physically I'm not there to give you a hug, I'm giving you a virtual hug.
We love virtual hugs.
Oh, I'm giving you virtual hugs, everyone. And most of all, viewers, thank you for watching.